What's up everyone, G Animations is here and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Yep, another Subway Surfers video. Now let's get on to it. Now our goal is 2,000 coins, and again if I don't end up getting 2,000 coins, I'm very sorry. I'm going to make another video just to get it. Yep, okay, let's get on with it. Okay. Fun fact, you know Subway Surfers actually from Denmark. Yep, it's from Denmark. Yeah, the country that owns Greenland. Also, fun fact, Subway Surfers has over 1 billion downloads on the App Store. But I don't know if 2,000 coins is a little bit too high. But it's whatever. I'm just going to do it. We're at 100. We still have a lot more to go. Comment down below what game I should play next. Maybe Block Poet or reviews. If you check my about my channel, you see that I also said that I'm also going to do strategy games. Maybe I'll do something like State.io, Conquer the World, or something. As I'm just trying to get to 2,000. I'm trying to get to 2,000. I'll just tell you guys some games I plan on playing. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry for that shout. Just so angry. I got a new key. Just so angry. God, how am I losing? Maybe I shouldn't have played Subway Surfers. I don't know. Should I do 2,000? 2,000 too much. Is it too much? Honestly, don't know if it's too much or not. I'm trying to jump over this. I think it's that we are in Greece or something. I don't know. Comment down below how long you've been playing Subway Surfers. I've been playing Subway Surfers since I was like 6. Yeah, it was released in 2012. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Yes, I'm legit encouraging you guys to subscribe. I'll try to post daily. Yes, I just risked my life to get those coins. Jetpack. I'm not going to miss any single coin. Because if I fail, I'm not using any keys. Although I'll try my best not to shout out of anger if I fail. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at my sick moves. Oh! I should have used a hoverboard. One would hurt. I know I promised that I wasn't going to use any of my keys, but I'm sorry. I just couldn't help it. I don't want this hoverboard to go to waste. I hate for my hoverboard to go to waste. Okay, better. Oh God! Also, if you look at the evolution of Subway Surfers, nothing has really changed except for the frequent updates. But the graphics were just just a little bit different back in 2012. The year the game was first released. Okay, 600. I have no choice. That I failed there, huh? I'll never fail. We are going to accomplish our goal of 2000. Oh, I just missed that. Oh God, I just missed that. Magnet. Okay, better. Easy. Now guys, I'm going to go take a rest when the time is right. I'm going to take a rest from this game. Oh God, that was so close. I'm going to take a rest from this game. Oh, should I stop by 1000? The answer should be no, I'm not going to stop. I will never stop. We're going to achieve our goal, and I'm not one to break promises. But if I do fail, I will try to make a video about it. Okay, great. That's what 900 and look, I almost didn't see my character Jake for a moment. Okay. Okay. Oh God, I don't know. Should I just use the key? I'm sorry. It was fight or flight reflex. I'm sorry. If I can just hang on for a little bit, I will be able to reach. Ooh, mystery box. I wonder the mystery. Ooh, just imagine if I hadn't used. Okay, sorry for just using hoverboards all the time. Did you guys just see that? Like a unicorn, pink unicorn pony with wings or something. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay guys, let's take a quick break, and I'm livid because we're even closer to achieving our goal. Okay, so I'm going to upload the video soon. We'll be trying to reach 2000. Now let's see if I can buy any characters here, because I'm not even close to buying any of them. The closest I can buy should be Ninja, but I only have 17,000 and Ninja has 20. Because I don't know why people bother buying, buying any of the characters. Do you have any special abilities? Let me know that in the comments. Okay, bye bye. Say bye bye say hello to Jake. Okay, bye. I want to end this video off at exactly 10 minutes.